Hi, welcome to AP English Literature with Mrs. Cooley. I'm so excited to see so many new and familiar faces in my classroom each day. Here is a picture of me and my family. This is my 23rd year to be a teacher. It's my 14th year in AP English. I'm married to Chad and have 3 boys, Brady, Brooks, and Cade. I'm a patriot, a graduate of Homewood High School in 1991, and I've lived in Homewood since I moved here right before high school started. This slide shows some of the books that we'll be reading this year. I really believe in providing students with opportunities to select books for themselves. So throughout the year, there will be opportunities where they can choose from one book or another book instead of us all always reading the same books. During this staggered school schedule, where red and blue team students come to school on specific days and virtual students learn from home, Wednesdays are dedicated Google Meet days. On Wednesdays, students have a set schedule to meet with each of their academic classes for a brief period. We use the same code, Cooley, AP Lit, Homewood, for each of our Google Meets. This graphic shows some of my expectations for Google Meet time. I believe it's important for us to establish a community of learners and for us to see each other and engage with each other in conversation as much as possible. Wednesdays provide time for us to do that, take off our masks, and kind of show our smiling faces to each other. I do encourage students who feel uncomfortable with any aspect of Google Meet to reach out to me so that we can seek a solution. Schoology is our primary form of communication outside of the school building. Each week in Schoology, there is a folder for the current week, and inside that folder are folders for red team, blue team, and virtual students. Inside the specific folders are daily assignments and links. I also utilize the Schoology calendar so that students can keep up with due dates and upcoming events. Students who require extra help can utilize the Sign Up Genius link that is found in their weekly schedule on Schoology to sign up for a 15-minute slot on Wednesday afternoons. I'm excited for a great school year. Please let me know if you have any questions or concerns. My email is mcooley@homewood.k12.al.us. Thank you.